Okay, so people, check this deck out. This is a big backyard with a wood deck. I'm about to pressure wash. Look at it good for the before and the after. How green and dirty it is. About to pressure wash this right now. And then after it dry, I give it 2 days and then I go re-stain it. So look at it. See how dirty it is? Dirty. Dirty, real green, nasty, allergy, all that. Pressure wash. All right, we finished pressure wash now. That's the pressure wash procedure. Yeah, that's all the pressure wash. 2 days time, we're gonna re-coat it now. And look at it. All right, here we go now. Yeah, that's re-stain. Yeah, we going down to the last portion, restaining. Yeah, that's the restain. That's the finish touch. You remember the look before? Nasty and dirty. Look at it now. Brand new. The customer love it. Johnson Cleaning Service for you again. Restain this nasty backyard wood deck.